Bro, I'm just keeping it real, bro. Soldier, bro. You need to stop rapping, bro. You're weak as fuck. You need to start rapping today, bro. On everything, bro. You weak as fuck, bro. I was on your side for the longest, bro. It was like that nigga Soldier weak, bro. Nigga, you weak, bro. I'm just keeping it, bro. You need to stop rapping, bro. You fuck you, bro. Fuck everybody who fuck with you, bro. You need to stop rapping, bro. You know it's bad when you start stealing raps in your style from Lil B and shit, bro. You need to stop it, bro. Stop rapping, bro. You finna fuck up the music, bro. It is not good, bro. I'm just telling you, bro. For the record, this is not a dissing record. It's the truth.
Okay. For the record, this is not a dish record. Just the truth.
Bitch!
School